The whole world is facing a serious problem with the increase in pollution. This is common to both developed and developing countries. Therefore, each country formulated a number of policies to protect the environment. But in implementing these policies, it will have a worse effect on economic growth. Japanese economists have developed a new model that can be applied to the economy to reduce environmental pollution. In this model, economists are taking about pollution from production. This can be a factory or byproduct of production. If we want to protect our environment, we must reduce the pollution of our environment. But in this situation, the production is less. This is detrimental to economic growth. Japanese economists publish a model that can sustain economic growth and zero emission society simultaneously. There are two main events in this model. These events can be called stages. The first is the non-innovation phase and the second is the innovation phase. The model oscillates between these stages. The assumption of this model is that part of the GDP will be spent on reducing pollution. Economists have found that GDP is high, but the amount allocated to reduce environmental pollution is low under the situation of non-innovation phase. On the other hand, GDP growth slows, but the amount allocated to reduce environmental pollution slows down under the situation of innovation phase. This concept is very important for every country to build their environmental policies. The United Nations Sustainable Objectives focus on economic growth. So now many countries can apply this model to their economy. By implementing this model, every country can achieve a zero emission society and sustain economic growth at the same time. The model was discovered by researchers at the University of Tokyo and the Sokochukin Bank in Japan.